It's done! The boat's done. This is gonna be a compilation of the past 4 months that I worked on this boat. It was a lot of work, it was a lot of fun, but I would be lying if I said it was only fun because honestly, it was a big headache. I had no boat experience prior to working on this. There was a big learning curve. So I hope that this video does a good job of showing you a taste of the excitement and the struggle that I had building this boat. I also want to thank everyone who helped me on this project. I had a lot of help from my parents and friends of my parents, and so I wouldn't be here without them. Without any further ado, on to the compilation. Here's the boat in all her glory.
Boom, gadget.
It's a little dirty. You can see there's a crack in the fiberglass here. What?
I don't like this anymore.
What?
There was a really big spider. Go find it, it's under there. Okay, go. Yo, there's multiple. Yo, there's multiple. We're gonna have to burn it.
Wait. Can I see that?
No. Oh, there it is.
Oh, is that water?
Because it's this bad? Is it worth fixing? Wow, that's working so well. Ooh.
Who needs 50 horses when you got...
Yep. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Just trying to get debris out. So much better. It makes it look way more valuable. So the floor's I'm gonna need to take this blue part off.
Inch by inch.
Hey, I forgot to post the boat up.
Look at that, that's perfect.
So there's a boat.
Now we can just get all this flooring out.
Mostly torn up. Since all of this is so thin, it's not even like good enough for me to taper into and fix any of these cracks. So I'm just gonna make it all strong. And then it'll be way better than it ever was. So this is 1708 biaxial fiberglass. It's really thick. But now, they're super strong. And you saw me squishing with my hands before. Now I can walk all over these. Now we're gonna get plywood ready. It's marine grade plywood. It's called Okume.
Wow. This is so strong. I can walk wherever I want. It's amazing. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yes! I need to lay some fiberglass from the sides to the bottom to really secure them together. Much stronger. But it's pretty strong. I didn't put any money into investing for you. This is the investment. You can sell this baby for a good couple grand. The wood is for the floor. My dad has cut it now to good lengths that we can use and send through the planer.
The cedar still has enough resin, so it's getting sticky. I'm making sure it's gonna be sliding nicely. The last guy of cedar, I run my hand on it, and sometimes you kind of feel which way to smooth it. You know, just run it and see, smooth it this way.
The plan is now that they're all cut, I need to lay some out and come up with a pattern. That's my handiwork. Not perfect, but it looks so good. So much better than I did, at least. I'm very, very proud of that. God, I'm so excited. Okay, so today we finally get it cut into the top, the blue part. I gotta cut the seats out and I gotta make new seats and I gotta change the layout, and I'm just so psyched. It took forever. Way longer than I thought. Right, Dad? It took way longer.
But as George Pocock used to say, they will never ask how long it took. They will only ask who built it.
Now that the top's on, I'm gonna work on putting seats in. So that's the next step. This is the seat of the front chair, like the driver's chair. Is it perfect? Definitely not. But I'm gonna cover this whole bottom wall with the yellow cedar. A lot of sanding later and it looks pretty good. The paint on here though is so worn. It has all this blistering and you can see some chips came out when I pressure washed it when I was washing it originally. Welcome to the video. Today, sanding. Tomorrow, sanding. The next day, sanding. The light blue has been sanded off everywhere on the boat. That was the worst work week I've ever had. That was awful. It was 50 plus hours of sanding. Today is the day that we're moving the boat into the building so that we can paint it. And it's sunny and it's beautiful and I'm excited. Alright, hold on. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Inside's taped off, rails are taped off, and you can hardly see it, but it looks cool. The last coat of primer just went on. It's now ready for the first coat of real paint. I don't think that I could ever get this to look perfect. Not the way that a professional could. Today we're going to be doing the upholstery on the inside of the boat so that my butt isn't super sore. We went through a lot of ideation trying to figure out what the best way to make the upholstery was. Tried making cushions that were 100% sewn. Difficult to get the forms to kind of stick out like this. And the only way that we can get something like that is by stapling it and mounting it to a board.
Last cut.
Take the foam, we'll skin it up. Industrial strength Velcro. We finished! The boat's finally done, thank God. And now it's just the hard part of getting it in the water. Look at them up on the water. It looks so good.